Ever tried logging into your Facebook on a new device only to realize you have no idea which email address you actually used to sign up? Trust me, we've all been there. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find your hidden Facebook email address right from the app in just a few taps. Plus, stick around till the end of the video because I'll show you a quick trick inside the exact same menu to secure your account so you never get locked out again. Let's dive in. Open up your Facebook app and tap on your menu icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the burger menu on top left. Now the little drop down menu at the top. Now tap on a Go to Account Center. Tap on Profiles and Personal Details. Scroll down until you see Personal Details. And then hit Contact Info. Boom, right here. You'll see every single email, address, and phone number associated with your Meta accounts. But wait, how do you know which one is specifically for your Facebook? It's simple. Just tap on any of the emails on the list. It will instantly show you exactly which accounts that email is linked to. Now for the bonus tip I promised you. Since you're already in this menu, this is a perfect time to clean up your digital footprint. This is your master control room for your entire Meta universe. If you see an old email address you no longer use, delete it right here. Or if you want to make your account hacker-proof, use the Add New Contact button to attach a brand new secure email address. Keeping this updated is the #1 way to make sure you never lose access to your photos and memories. If this video saved you a headache today, drop a quick thank you in the comments down below. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.